acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm really excited to share an entryway makeover. I'm going to add some vintage Halloween touches to my entryway. I hope you enjoy. So guys, this is what my entryway is currently looking like. Now, you may notice that I took away the blue chinoiserie wallpaper and I'm going for a more neutral look in my home. So I had started by adding some brick wallpaper, changed my mind. So I decided to take all of that off first of all, guys, and then we're going to paint it a really pretty colour. So I started by taking out the nails on the wall, and then I added some gap filler and then sanded it before painting.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights.
I then started to remove the existing decor before I prepared the area for painting. So guys, now I'm going to go in and start painting with this beautiful colour called Russian Toffee. Now it is actually a colour match, guys, from a piece of home decor that I had from Kmart, and I just love the colour.
Tears in our eyes from the words we said, yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. We pick up the pieces and start again.
So guys, this is the first coat and I was already loving how it looked on the wall. I then went in and gave it a second coat using a roller brush.
It's not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well.
here it is finished with the second coat, guys, and I absolutely love how it came. I then headed into Kmart because I wanted to change out my rug. Kmart has the most cutest rugs out at the moment, guys. I absolutely love the checkered one, but I was really after this diamond patterned one, and I was so excited when it was in stock.
I don't wanna change who you are. Things you say is always one step too far.
Now guys, I also picked up one of their hair bows in the hair accessories section. I had a wonderful idea in mind for this really pretty white and pearl bow. Now I also headed over to the Reject Shop, which is a discount variety store here in Australia, and they had all their Halloween decor out, and I've seen something that really caught my eye that I thought would go perfect in the vintage theme I'm going for.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the park. They say I was broken. How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
So guys, I picked up these adorable vintage frames from the Reject Shop, and I just love their added touch to my entryway.
Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. They say I was broken. How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home.
I'm not broken, not broken, not broken.
I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decor. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. If I had the chance, I'd probably break free. I could have my ways and I could let it be. I could do what I want, but it's just an illusion, illusion.
So guys, I'm so in love with my new entryway. I really love how this particular colour really stands out off the wall.
solution. Try to come, but I know it's gonna.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I'm off to have a beautiful little green tea in my new little Boo cup from TK Maxx. Isn't it the cutest? I will see you all next week. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back next week for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.